In today's digital age, cybersecurity risk management has become a crucial aspect of business operations. Cyber threats such as data breaches, ransomware attacks, and cyber espionage have become increasingly common, and organizations must take proactive steps to mitigate their risks. Let's explore the essential components of effective cybersecurity risk management for IT leaders. First, identify your organization's cybersecurity risks. This step requires conducting a thorough risk assessment that analyzes the assets, vulnerabilities, and threats to your organization's systems and data. Next, assess risk levels. A risk assessment helps prioritize which risks pose the most significant threats to your organization, enabling you to allocate resources more effectively. Third, develop a risk management plan. This plan outlines the strategies and actions your organization will take to mitigate risks effectively. It should include policies, procedures, and controls that your organization will implement to minimize the impact of potential cyber threats. Fourth, implement appropriate security protocols. Security controls are the tools and technologies that organizations use to protect their systems, data, and critical assets. Fifth, educate employees. Employees need to understand the importance of maintaining strong passwords, identifying and reporting potential phishing attacks, and practicing safe browsing habits. Finally, review and update your risk management plan. Regular review and updating of the risk management plan are critical to ensure its continued effectiveness. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.